Hello everyone, this is Vasavi. Now I'm going to discuss about cloning enzymes. Now what is the basic definition of cloning? Cloning is a process of generating a genetically identical copy of a cell or an organism. Or in other words, we can say it as it is a technique that scientists use it to make exact genetic copies of living things. Coming to cloning enzymes, the enzymes which help to modify DNA fragments are called cloning enzymes. Types are nuclease, polymerase, ligase, transferase, DNase, RNase, kinase and phosphatase. Coming to nuclease, they target or degrade or cut the phosphodiester bond present in the DNA. Any enzyme that cleaves nucleic acids are called nucleases. Nucleases belong to the class of enzymes called hydrolases, are usually specific in action. Examples of or types of nucleases are exonucleases and endonucleases. Coming to exonucleases, they target towards the end of DNA. A hydrolyzing reaction that breaks phosphodiester bond at either 3' end or 5' end are called exonucleases. Examples of exonucleases: lambda exo cuts towards the 5' end, exo 3 cuts towards 3' end, val 31 targets both 3' end and 5' end. Coming to endonucleases, they target towards the middle of the DNA. These are of type single stranded and double stranded. In single stranded, we have S1 nucleases that targets 3' end, Mung bean nucleases that targets 5' end. In double stranded, we have DNase, it is non-specific, cuts randomly, starts at 3' end, and restriction endonucleases. Coming to polymerase, these helps in the formation of phosphodiester bond between nucleotide and another nucleotide, 5' phosphate bond plus 3' hydroxide bond. And coming to types, DNA polymerase to synthesize the DNA, RNA polymerase to synthesize the RNA, reverse transcriptase polymerase makes complementary DNA from mRNA, T7 polymerase useful for extensive DNA synthesis on long single-stranded DNA. Tth polymerase, it has function of both DNA polymerase and RT polymerase. Clinofragment, it is present in DNA polymerase 1 and lacks the 5' to 3' exonuclease activity. And it is first reported in 1970, retains the 5' to 3' polymerase activity and 3' to 5' exonuclease activity for removal of pre-coding nucleotides and proofreading, but loses its 5' to 3' exonuclease activity. Coming to transferase, transfer molecules from one place to another place. It acts only at 3' end. Enzymes that catalyze the transfer of group of atoms such as amine, carboxyl, methyl, etc. are called transferase. TDT, terminal deoxytransferase, adds particular nucleotide, DNTPS, deoxynucleotide phosphate, triophosphate, mixes deoxyadenosine triophosphate, DATP plus deoxyguanosine triphosphate, DGTP plus deoxycytine triphosphate plus DTTP, deoxythymidine triphosphates are added in equal proportion. Coming to ligase, it joins two DNA molecules by forming a phosphodiester bond. These are of examples: DNA ligase. These are isolated from E. coli. Ability to join coherence means dissimilar ends. Ligation is up to 70 to 90% and can be done in 1 to 2 hours. T4 DNA ligase isolate from T4 bacteriophage. Ability to join blunt ends means similar ends. Ligation is up to 60% and can be done in 3 to 6 hours. Coming to DNase, this is a random process, non-specific in nature and degradation, and used when there is a large amount of double-stranded DNA. Types: DNase 1 starts digestion from 3' end, DNase 2 starts digestion from 5' end, MNA is cut randomly 3' end to 3' end or 5' end. These are rare and 10x stronger than DNase 1 and DNase 2. MNase is nothing but micrococcal nuclease. It is isolated from Micrococcus, which is of rare source. Coming to RNase, this is a random process in degradation and used when there is a single standard RNA. Types: RNase A, this is specific towards C end use. RNase H, this is unique type, do not cut a phosphodiester bond but cuts hydrogen bond, digested DNA RNA hybrid. And coming to kinase, by using kinase we can add phosphate group at 5' end. Example is shown in this figure, T4 polynucleotide kinase. Coming to phosphatase, by using phosphatase we can remove phosphate group at 5' end. These are hydrolases which remove water molecule to remove phosphate group. And this is all about cloning enzymes and their types and their function. Thank you.